What's up, gang? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dior, and I'm back with another video. I'm going to be doing my eyebrow tutorial. I always get a lot of people asking me how I do my brows, so I thought I'd just go ahead and make this video for you guys. So the first thing that I'm going to go ahead and start off with is wiping off my brows. I do this so any product, any moisturizer, any serums, I remove them off of my brows so that way I have less slip. And then I'm just going to go in with a glue stick to go ahead and lay my eyebrows down. So the reason why I'm using a glue stick is because I have not had my eyebrows done in a couple of years, and I am in the process of trying to grow them out fully. The glue stick technique is something that works for me. I feel like it just keeps my eyebrows in place all day. But after I go ahead and I apply the glue stick, as you can see, I'm just going to take a brush and brush my eyebrow hairs into place or the way that I want them to lay. Another reason why I wipe off my eyebrows is because if I just go in with the glue stick, what will happen is it's going to leave like a tacky residue and it's going to be more texture, and that's not something we want. So make sure that you just wipe off your eyebrows if you did put on any moisturizer or anything of that nature. But as you can see, I'm just repeating the same step on the other side. Next, I'm going to go in with my eyebrow pencil, and you guys, please don't be mad at me. I got this inside of an eyebrow kit, and I really do not remember who it's by, but I will have a alternative listed down below, which is by e.l.f. But as you can see, I'm just going to go ahead and lightly fill in my eyebrows. And when filling in your eyebrows, you want to make sure that you are going in with light strokes. Nobody likes the Sharpie / Nike checkmark eyebrows. You don't want to be too heavy. We want them to look natural. Also keep in mind that they are sisters. They should not be cousins. But next, I'm just going to go in with my Ruby Kisses concealer, and this is in the color Warm Honey, if I'm correct. Like I said before, I will have everything listed down below, but I'm just going to go ahead and clean up under my brows as well as on top. And when you are sculpting or cleaning up your brows, just take your time. Do not rush into it. If you do rush, you kind of leave more room for error. But as you guys can see, I'm just cleaning up underneath my eyebrows. I know a lot of people say you don't use the same color that you clean up under your eyebrows on top, but I'm sorry, I'm still kind of stuck in that trend. I just like the way it looks. I feel like if you are able to blend it out well enough, it doesn't really matter because all of the rest of your makeup basically balances it out. And sometimes I will go over the top of my eyebrows multiple times just because I do not like that thick brow look. I've already gone through that phase and I refuse to go back. If you are into makeup, then you know what I'm talking about, kind of like the IG brows where everybody has the super thick brows, but their eyebrows are not really that thick. And I know we all have to start somewhere. I just still never understood that. But as you can see, I'm just going to go in and blend out this concealer. And when I blend out my eyebrows, I typically use 2 separate brushes along with my fingers, as you guys will see in this video. There's really no right or wrong way. You just want to make sure that that concealer is blended in as much as possible. Another thing I wanted to add is I know when you see people doing their makeup or if they're doing eyeliner or eyebrows and it's how do I perfect it? Please don't beat yourself up. This was not something that happened overnight for me. It's kind of one of those things where you have to keep practicing. You know your face the best, so don't get discouraged. The plus side about makeup, or excuse me, the good thing about makeup is that it's not permanent. So if you mess up, you can wipe it off and start over again. But as you guys can see, I'm just going to continue to keep blending out the concealer that is around my brows. And please excuse my acne right now. It was a rough week for me, so my face was breaking out, but You just want to make sure that you blend everything in as much as possible. I'm just taking the spoolie on the other side of my eyebrow pen and just blending out the front so we can have that gradient effect. So after this, I went ahead and I finished up my makeup, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and finish the finishing touches on my eyebrows. I usually do this just because I feel like once I have a full face of makeup on, I can kind of see where I need to tweak it. But as you can see, I just went in with some eyebrow gel, and then I'm also gonna go ahead and highlight underneath my eyebrows. The concealer slash highlighter duo that I am using did happen to come with that pen, so I will have to do some research and figure out what product or who it's by. But I just used the highlighter to go underneath my eyebrows and highlight and blend that out. I'm just gonna take my blending brush and blend out like the harsh lines. And once we have done that, we are officially done. I hope that this tutorial was easy for you guys. If you do like this makeup look, I will have this link down below inside of the description box, along with all of my social media and all of that good stuff. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video, and stay bougie. Bye.